enigmatic. Shehzad, decent average.
Back past him. Well timed and holding the pose.
Thanks, Vaz. Starts again with a boundary. That'll go as well. All the way for 6. That's a nice shot too. Not a good delivery. Leg stump half volley, and that'll be put away all day.
50 for Shehzad, 12th ODI 50 in addition to 400s, and he's such a talisman to this batting lineup.
Shot. Nobody moved.
There he goes again. 4 more.
Get it! Gone! He's got him! Oh, it was bait all right. And bait that was too delicious to resist for Shehzad. That's exactly the reason Holder has thrown the ball to Gale. And he's got his old mate out.
Absolutely extraordinary. Shehzad needs to go for a very entertaining knock. Afghanistan now 148 for 2.